This is Vocabulary Words in Tagalog, Part 11. Bahilya, set of dishes. Baho, bas. Baho, foulness of smell. Bad odor. Stink. Bait, goodness. Kindness, sense, virtue, or judgment. Baitang, step grade, degree. Baka, maybe, perhaps. Bakahin, to struggle. Bakal, iron. Bacalao, codfish. Bakante, vacant. Bakaw, species of bird. Bakbak, to pull off. Bakbakan, free for all fight. Bakbakin, to remove, to dislodge, take out. Bakil, rough, not soft. Bakla, sisi, homosexual. Baklad, fish, coral, fish trap. Bako, roughness. Bakod, fence, enclosure. Bakol, round mouth, native basket. Bakood, highland. Bako, rough, not smooth, uneven. Bakulaw, man-sized monkey. Bakuna, vaccination. Bakuran, yard, fence. Bakya, wooden shoe. Bala, bullet. Balaan, threaten or warn. Balaba, petiole. Balabal, shawl. Balabalan, to cover. Balae, parents of one's son-in-law or daughter-in-law. Balag, trellis, arbor. Balagat, collarbone. Balagtasan, political joust or poetical joust in verse. This is where two people or two poets would do like a free verse unrehearsed poetry, where they answer each other's questions or they say something in a poetic way. Balahibo, fine hair. Balak, to plan, intend, scheme, project, desire, or secret plot. Balakang, hip, pelvis, balakid, obstacle, hindrance, something in the way, balakubak, dandruff, balakyot, wicked, mean, very bad, balandra, bounce, balang, locust, balanga, wide-mouthed earthen jar, balangay, branch, committee, party, native boat or barangay, balanggot, species of rattan, balangkas, structure, framework, outline. So if you'd like to learn more, we have a lot more lessons, vocabulary, words, audio, video, and everything Tagalog, Filipino on patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. You can be a free member or a supporter. Again, that's Learn Tagalog Filipino or patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. See you there.